Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be discussing the general knowledge related to aviation. Starting with Tata Group. Tata Group is the India's first airline which is known as Tata Air Services. They have started in the year 1932. The year is important, 1932, and they are the first airline. Now the Tata Group nowadays is currently running the Vistara Airlines entirely, which is a full service carrier with joint venture with the help of the Singapore Airlines. The stake of the Tata Group in this Vistara Airlines is 51%. This is a key term to remember. Now recently the Tata Group have also purchased the stakes in Air Asia India to 83.67. So now they are the owners of the Air Asia India. The Air Asia India is a joint venture with the Air Asia Berhad. With the stakes of 83.67, the Tata Group is the currently the owner of the Air Asia India. Now talking about the COVID-19 vaccine, 20 million doses of the Covishield vaccine that is being given approval by Government of India, which is manufactured by the Pune Institute, which is the Serum Institute of India. So this vaccine which is being manufactured in the Serum Institute will be dispatched to the other centers in India from the Pune airport. This is the key point to remember, that the Covishield vaccine will be transported to the entire country from the Pune based airport. And how they will be transported is initially they will be transported in the scheduled aircraft. This is also a key point to remember. Now how this is being taken care. In Airports Authority of India, there is a separate unit which is known as AICLAS, which is Airports Authority of India Cargo Logistic and Allied Services Company. So this is a small unit of Airports Authority of India which will be taking care of the cargo services. So the entire responsibility of logistics of this vaccine is being taken care by this AICLAS, AI class, which is Airports Authority India Cargo Logistics. So this will be monitored. This will get taking care of the entire vaccination transport in India across the 41 airports with Pune as the central point. So what they have planned is, so like it will be starting from Pune, and also they have maintained the 4 medical depots in the country with 4 airports with Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and Karnal. So these 4 airports will be acting as a hub for the transportation of this vaccine. Next is, there is a standard operating procedure for the transportation of vaccine that is being given. So what it will do is the consignment, it should not take more than 30 minutes to load into the aircraft. This is the key point. That is, less than 30 minutes it has to be loaded into the aircraft from the cargo hold area, and not more than 6 minutes to be loaded into the insulated van can once it is offloaded from the aircraft. So what will be happen is, like, there will be a van which will be transporting, which will be loading these vaccines into the aircraft. So it has to be transported within 30 minutes, and then also while offloading the vaccine from the aircraft, it should be loaded within less than 6 minutes. So these precautions have to be taken care. Recently there is an Air India has started a non-stop flight between San Francisco and Bangalore, between USA and Bangalore. The speciality of this is that recently this has started, this is the first time, and also the inauguration flight was flight by the crew member, which are all women. It was a 4-member crew. So this is one speciality of this flight. One more recent news is that a new cargo air terminal was launched in the Indore airport. In this we can know that the Indore airport name is Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar Airport. This is a key point to remember. And then it was inaugurated by the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has inaugurated this. Coming to some of the abbreviations, there is a small organization which is known as CEPA Kappa, which stands for Center for Asia Pacific Aviation. So what it does, it is a consultancy firm. So what it does, it acts as a consultancy for the airport operators as well as for the airlines, and it predicts the market growth. Next, one more abbreviation which I want to tell you is, like, In the Amritsar, which is the international airport, the name for that airport is Sri Guru Ram Das Singh Ji Airport. So these are some of the latest news related to the current affairs and the general knowledge of aviation. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.